Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to check out what's inside the Audi toolbox. So let's lift up the boot. In a previous video I installed a little boot popper here so I can open up the boot without a key. If you want to see how I did it, check out the build in a previous video. Right, this lifts up here and then it lifts up a second time. And we have a nut here and that locks everything in place. So first of all, undo that. Remove this, now flip it over, and it gives us a complete rundown of how to change the wheel. Okay, by just sliding that forward a little bit more, it'll say put. And now we have access to the full toolkit. So just have a look at all the tools, what comes with the Audi and what I'm currently missing. So the first one is a 13 and 10 spanner, very handy to have. Put that back in. Next is our towing eye. So when you pull this out, it can be fitted somewhere at the back here or at the front of the car. You take out a little grill at the front. That's how you attach that. This is our locking nut, so do not lose this. They're great fun to try and get the wheel nuts off afterwards. This is our breaker bar. This is our locating pin as seen in the diagram for when we put the wheel back on. There should be a screwdriver here, which we're missing. On the back of the screwdriver, there's a little holder that'll hold the back of this, or else the ordinary lug bolts, and it'll help you thread them into the wheel because the wheel is quite deep. There should be a set of tweezers just here, which I'm missing. These tweezers can be used to remove plastic wheel caps from the wheel studs. Looking at other people's toolboxes, this one here I'm missing. There was some fantastic debate of what this little part here could be. Everything from setting the headlights, to removing the taillight bulbs, to even setting the car in neutral. This of course is a manual car, so what could it be? Do you know? Well, it turns out to be quite simple. It's the spacer that's in the locking nut that holds down the toolbox. So what is this cutout then for? So what I think it's for is a locking tool for the convertibles. That's what I think that is. I'm missing it, I don't have it. Moving on, we have the jack. This one here is a very important little pin. It'll help you take off the center caps off the wheels. Next we have this plastic wrapper. I'm not really sure what it is, so let's just open it up and find out. I'm just going to open it and you can then find out what it actually is. If it's a mat or is it a bag. I was asked before, is it a pair of gloves? I was like, obviously not a pair of gloves. Is it a mat to rest your knee on, or is it a bag to put the damaged tyre into? Okay, now we have it all unwrapped. Okay, there's a seam just here. We go up to the top side. Let's have a look at this. Look at that, it's a bag. Okay, so that's what it is. So when you have the damaged tyre, you can put the damaged tyre into the bag, and then you put the whole lot into your boot to be repaired, and that will stop the back of your boot from getting too dirty from the dirty tyre. So the bag keeps it all lovely and clean. Brilliant. That's the size of it. So it's about 1, 2, 3, about 3 foot by 2 foot. So just behind the number plate, we have a zipper just here. I'm going to open that off. This is our warning triangle. Okay, so what I've done is just remove this from the car, and I'm just going to build it here on the ground just because there's a little bit more room and it's easier to see. So the first job is to remove the top, then we slide it out. Very simple, just move back a bit I suppose. So then we lift up the two sides and we join them together. There's a little button here at the top, or a little clip. So that's the top now built. Then we're going to pull out the legs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the 4 legs built, and it'll sit upright on the ground like that, so it'll warn traffic that you have broken down on the side of the road. Of course, for my fellow YouTubers that are watching this video, the silver ones never break down, it's always the blue and the red ones. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. See you later.